expression photo and Epson expression photo. This here the download driver. You type the download driver and please YM search the official driver for you. And I am this here the official driver. This website epson.co.uk and click here. And please write landing page loading. I am like the download driver for official website. The driver for official website first download and driver new driver update the driver. Okay, click the spot and please write. And this here the title driver or software. Click here. Okay, please write the website loading. Okay, if you select your system operation, click operating system, click here. This here is select for system operation for driver Chrome OS and driver iOS, driver for Linux, driver Mac 12 and Mac 11. And you scroll down this here driver for the Windows 8, driver for the Windows 11, driver for the Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows Server, Windows Vista, Windows XP. This video you need to download driver Epson Windows 11 and you click here the Windows 11, click button go and please wait. Website loading again. This here the title product setup. This here the Epson software update. Click here. This here the Epson software update for the before the Windows 8 after the Windows 11. Okay, if you need download Epson software update, click here. This here the scroll down. This here the title driver. This driver for Windows 11 and click here. This here the driver print only and not scanner and driver print only and click here this here the version and release update. This here the support for Windows 11. This video I made download for the Windows 11. This here recommended for you this version and this release update. This file site. Okay, this extension file and click button download. This here the driver download. Okay, if you need install driver for the laptop or PC, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer for laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and you please wait the finish driver download. You run as the driver. Driver detect automatic for the cable printer and you click next and finish driver download. Okay, if you need question, comment below if you need